I've got a hotel date coming up, and I cannot even begin to tell you how excited I am because anywhere that is not my home, that is a place of passion, is just a big turn on. I live with a bunch of people, and I suspect that anybody who's got kids still living at home is familiar with this scenario, just wondering if there's other people around who can hear you and feeling maybe a little bit shy or sensitive about that, and therefore not really getting very turned on by the thought of having sex at home. I know that for a lot of people, that's the only place you can have sex, and I get that. And, we have to all try and make it work in whichever way we can. One of my family members used to go into his van with his wife because he didn't want to disturb his daughter. So, yeah, just anywhere that's not my home is just all right by me.